Listen to me, the law requires you to provide it, not for me.
Why are you free?
But you're not giving it to me, so now you're going to get a ticket for it, okay? If you don't be quiet, you can go to jail. How's that?
Are you going to take me to jail for what? Don't scream at me. I'm not doing anything.
Shut up!
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. A woman named Jessica was driving through Lee County, Mississippi in June of 2023 when she passed Trooper Michael Harbin, F Troop of the Mississippi Department of Public Safety. Jessica was pulled over shortly after for allegedly speeding, and when approached, Trooper Harbin requested Jessica's driver's license, registration, and insurance. Unable to find her insurance card, Jessica asks if the trooper can pull up the information on his computer.
Know what? I can pull it up, but the law requires you to have it.
She then asks what she was stopped for.
Look, written stop, committed speed. A lot faster.
Jessica objects to the reason for the stop.
You were catching up to it. You can make it to 65.
For a moment, Jessica's protests are inaudible, but soon her refusal to agree caused the trooper to lose control.
When I got behind you, you were doing 165. Listen to me. If you keep lying to me.
I'm not lying to you. There's no lie.
Where's your insurance?
You have my insurance.
Where's it at? Listen to me, the law requires you to provide it, not for me.
Why are you free?
But you're not giving it to me, so now you're going to get a ticket for it, okay?
The law does not provide you to scream at me at all.
It gives me the authorization to do it, though. Yes, it does.
Nobody has the authorization to scream at somebody, sir.
Listen to me.
I've never heard in my life.
Shut up and listen to me.
Don't tell me to shut up, sir. Don't tell me to shut up and don't scream at me. I'm not doing anything.
Shut up!
Okay.
Beaten, seatbelt, hair cover.
Trooper Harbin now returns to his cruiser, where he writes Jessica citations for speeding, a seatbelt violation, and failure to provide insurance. He returns 5 minutes later.
Alright, listen, you are received citations for speeding, insurance.
As Trooper Harbin hands the tickets through the window, Jessica reaches to take them, and Trooper Harbin rips them away from her. It's important to note that once a citation is issued, the traffic stop is over, and an officer cannot continue to detain you, search your vehicle, or remove you from it without a new violation or your consent.
What you need to do is right here, you can read it. I'll explain it to you. I'm required to. Right here. If you don't be quiet, you can go to jail. How's that?
Are you going to take me to jail for what?
Get out.
Don't tell me. You're not doing this. You're not doing this. What am I doing? Why am I going to fucking jail for?
Get out of the fucking car.
What the fuck is your problem?
Get out right now.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Get out. 3. I'm about to tase you. 3. 2.
What?
Disorderly conduct. Get out.
Are you kidding me? My car is running.
Sing arrest right now. Put it in the
My
park.
car is running. Crazy asshole. What are you doing?
Get the fuck.
Will you just shoot me?
33 on me.
Trooper Harbin's mic goes silent during the struggle, during which he tases Jessica twice while he attempts to wrestle her out of the vehicle. Pulling her arms and legs, seemingly for no other reason than the fact that she was going to film the interaction and was verbally disagreeing with the trooper. Once removed from her vehicle, she is placed in handcuffs and into the back of a cruiser as backup units arrive.
Now come over here. Have a seat. You don't listen unless I raise my voice, apparently.
I'm not your child.
You're a child of what?
I said I'm not your child.
I don't give a shit. When you don't want to listen to me, it's going to happen that way. So now, you can go to jail for disorderly conduct and resisting arrest. And public profanity, right there.
You cussed me. The car's running.
I don't give a fuck if it's running or not.
Now you want to cuss.
A supervisor is now on scene and asks Jessica what her problem is.
Major malfunction. Going to damn listen to what I'm saying.
My major malfunction is him. Why don't you play back the video cam, the body cam, and just be done with it?
Hold on. You don't tell me my job, man.
You just asked me what my malfunction was. You just asked me a
Have I
question.
raised my voice? Have I yelled at you? No, ma'am. I'm a supervisor. Let me explain this.
Okay.
Bring it down. I didn't bring it
I
up.
can't hear. He's got his radio on,
Okay,
the speakers on.
Today's not the day.
I can't hear you. I can't hear anything.
Okay. You can hear me?
Listen, put your head in here and listen. He's got creeping playing. I can't hear anything. I'm a little freaked out. I'm on my way because I'm on my way to work, and now I've been tased twice, and I'm literally just on my way to work.
Okay. All right.
Jessica is left in the cruiser sobbing.
4 seatbelt. 8 non-hazardous. 9 hazardous. 4 seatbelt. 8 non-hazardous. 9 hazardous. Okay, so.
Minutes later, Trooper Harbin appears to mention that he thinks he'll be suspended for about 15 days over the incident.
Those are right up there. That's 15 days off for me.
What about 8 non-hazardous?
He then explains that he wrote 4 citations because Jessica was arguing and filming the encounter, admitting on camera that he retaliated against her for exercising her First Amendment rights.
What was the initial, she was arguing with me about, she wasn't speeding, the car in front of her was doing a lot faster and all this other crap, and I'm trying to talk to her, and she just kept interrupting me. And I said, you ain't entitled, raise your voice, you ain't entitled to do anything to hold my team. She kept saying, no, I said, shut up. And she, oh my God, I'm getting my camera. I said, get the camera. I said, I'll be back shortly. So I wrote her 4 violations. Came back trying to explain them to her. She tried to rip the damn thing out of my hand. I was like, oh, won't you yell like you were a minute ago? Causing a scene.
Well, y'all good? Y'all really come like that?
Nah, okay. I got her to deal with it. So I just take it out. And I was going to originally take her to jail for the dang tag now. Said it's right in her ticket. I didn't write that ticket yet. I just wrote the other for it. Now that's my 5th one. And she said I'm not getting legal here, but I'm not for sure. I think it is.
Eventually, Jessica was taken to jail. Trooper Harbin's supervisor ordered remedial training after watching the videos, but would later testify that he felt that tasing Jessica was a good use of force. However, when the use of force packet was reviewed by the command staff, it was sent back down to his supervisor, and Harbin was ordered to complete a de-escalation class and to take 3 days off. But a few months after that, in October of 2023, Trooper Harbin was terminated from the department. He immediately appealed the termination and stood before a tribunal, during which Colonel Sanders, yes really, the Deputy Director of MHP and Chief of the Uniform Division, testified that the traffic stop ended once Jessica had the citations. But it appears, however, that the tribunal completely ignored the facts of the case and the constitutional violations, as Trooper Harbin was reinstated and paid for the time he missed while off duty. His reinstatement may be appealed by MHP, but it's unclear what the agency will do next. There's also no current word of Jessica filing a lawsuit or the results of her tickets. So if you know Jessica, have her email me, and if any of that information ever becomes available, I'll be sure to let you know. Speaking of which, I've got some big updates coming this week, so stay tuned. If you want to see this full unedited video, you can find it below. Otherwise, let me know what you think of this encounter, and check out another episode linked on screen.